Did you know that there is a different way to purchase a home that nobody is even talking about? We have innovative and exclusive systems that help you find the perfect home. Quite simply, just tell us what it is you're looking for and we find it. We invest the time, energy, and the marketing dollar to find your perfect home. We won't just run a search in the MLS like the average agent might do. The average agent has one system to find you a home. We have 5. Imagine getting access to off-market deals, assignment sales, pre-construction projects, distress deals on top of all of the homes listed on MLS. If you're a home buyer or a home seller that's looking to get into your next house, this very program may be just the perfect one for you. This innovative and exclusive program is available, so find out more by reaching out to us today. For more videos like this, please like this video and follow us here. Thanks for watching.